Good afternoon. I'm doing question 7 now that focus on unsustainable and sustainable use of resources. Redraw the table below in your answer sheet and list the following activities under the correct heading. So this is what we are given here: afforestation, insulation, desertification, deforestation, crop rotation, recycling, monoculture, pollution, making compost, and extinction. So we should choose what follow under sustainable use of resources and what follow under unsustainable use of resources. So let's start with sustainable use of resources. Of course, we can talk about afforestation. We can talk about afforestation. What else can we talk about? Crop rotation. What else can we talk about? We talk about recycling. Recycling. What else can you talking about? Making a compost. Making a compost. We can talk about insulation. Insulation, what does it? Actually, it protects against the loss of moisture on the soil, so helping to maintain the soil fertility. So that's what it is all about, insulation. Then on the unsustainable, we can talk about desertification. So which means we have talked about 1, 2, recycling. We have talked about making compost. We're talking about crop rotation. So these are the 5 that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what makes falls under sustainable use of resources. So let's list what falls under unsustainable: extinction, pollution, monoculture. You are growing one crop year after year. You are not changing. Monoculture. We are talking about desertification. We are also talking about, what else do we have? So extinction, pollution, monoculture, desertification. We are talking about deforestation as well. Deforestation. That's another one. So from the options that are given, guys, so it means the one that are marked as sustainable use of resources, the one that are marked as sustainable use of resources, the one that are marked, and the one with an X, these are your unsustainable use of resources. Sustainable use of resources, the one that are marked, we have got sustainable use of resources: afforestation, crop rotation, recycling, making a compost, insulation. Then under unsustainable use of resources, we are looking at extinction, pollution, monoculture, desertification, and deforestation. So this is very important, guys, that you go through this question so that at least you have an idea in as far as sustainable and unsustainable use of resources is concerned. So this is what makes up the sustainable and unsustainable use of resources we're choosing from the World Bank that we have here. Redraw the table in your answer sheet and list the following activities under the correct heading. So this is very important, and this takes us to the end of the question 7, which covers sustainable and sustainable use of resources. Please like, share, repost, also subscribe to my channel so that I'll continue giving you the best content in as far as the subject is concerned. Thank you so much, and have a blessed